So the most important guidelines in designing the interface for the MindMetic application was to have a clear and consistent color scheme. We wanted to have as few elements as possible to avoid any unnecessary items. And we wanted to use contrast colors to focus on the important parts. So this is the result presenter part of the MindMetic software. And you can see the different elements here. We have the middle area, we have the toggle area, and below here we have the graph area. So the graph area is obviously the most important part, where you see your actual results of the tests.
I'm an industrial designer, currently working on MindMetic's EEG array. A very, very fascinating and interesting and very complex product that we're trying to develop. There are two things that are very, very important and is high on the list with this product. It has to be convenient and it has to look cool. It has to be convenient in the daily use operation, and it has to look cool because the people that we're targeting are used to cool products.